how to make a new account on TikTok 2025. So if you want to make a new account on TikTok 2025, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, this is the type of interface that you will see, and here you can see sign up button or login. Now if you have an account, you can log in, but since we're trying to how to make an account, then you can either sign up using a phone number. But if you are not comfortable or you don't have a phone number, then that's also okay. You can either continue with your Facebook if you have an existing account or your Google account, or you can create an independent account using an email address instead. So you can just choose the email address that you would like to use for your account right here, and basically once you've done that, you should be able to tap the continue button and also create a password which is at least 8 characters, 20 max, 1 letter, 1 number and 1 special character. Once you create a password, you can tap on continue, verify your email, and your account will be successfully created. And this way you should be able to make a TikTok account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.